Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this video, I'm going to unbox and review the BuzzTV Classic Android TV box. Now, BuzzTV touts itself on developing some of the most powerful Android TV boxes on the market. And guys, I am very impressed with BuzzTV devices on the other ones that I've reviewed on this channel. Now, this does come with 64 gigabits of internal storage along with many other specs that I will explain throughout this video. But guys, I'm going to unbox this and I'm going to give you my first thoughts on what comes right out of the box. All right, guys, so here's everything that comes inside the box for the BuzzTV Classic Android TV box. Right away, I noticed that BuzzTV also provides a special remote for this device as well. And that's one that I really love about BuzzTV devices is they provide their own custom remotes that are sophisticated and are optimized for streaming live TV. And I really like these remotes versus like an Amazon Fire Stick remote or a Roku remote. I really do appreciate the technology that BuzzTV creates in their remotes. Here's the actual box itself for the BuzzTV Classic. Again, it comes with 64 gigabits of internal storage. I really appreciate the Ethernet port here, so we don't have to do any workarounds for that. HDMI cable here to get things up and running. Having that Ethernet port is big to increase your internet speeds. It comes with the power cord here. I also appreciate how it comes with two AA batteries so I can get things up and running instantly. And then it has the HDMI cable. I also appreciate how it comes with the HDMI cable. You'd be surprised how many devices or tech gadgets that you get, such as a TV monitor or whatnot, that don't even provide HDMI cable. So I really do like that. And then here's the power adapter and the power cord. So now, guys, now that I've unboxed this, I'm going to set up the BuzzTV Classic on my television, and I'm going to give you my thoughts on what I like, what I don't like. So let's dive in. So guys, before plugging in my BuzzTV Classic Android box, I first want to show you how you can purchase this. Now, I do have a special discount link that you can find below this video that does help support myself and this channel. You'll see this box costs $150 as of this video recording, but guys, for the price and what you get, BuzzTV does not cheap out on their devices. There is no doubt about that. I do have a separate review on the BuzzTV X5 Android TV box as well. I will leave a link to that in the video description, but guys, BuzzTV is known for premium streaming devices. They do come with a higher price tag, but with that higher price tag, you get more internal storage, you get better processing speeds, and you get overall better functionality, and you also get a device that is optimized for live TV streaming. It also comes with a custom remote as well. So BuzzTV is one of the highest quality streaming devices on the market, and that is the reason for the high price point. So now that you've seen, the product page, guys, and if you are interested in purchasing, again, I do have a link below this video that does help support myself and this channel. But let's dive in as I plug in my BuzzTV Classic. All right, so I'm plugging in my BuzzTV Classic Android TV box for the very first time, and I always like this BuzzTV intro. I think that's kind of cool what they do with all of their BuzzTV boxes right when you plug in a new device. So the very first step, like other BuzzTV boxes, is going to ask me to pair my Bluetooth remote. So it's prompting me to click the OK button and also the less volume button on my custom BuzzTV remote. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and do that quick and then skip ahead to the next step. All right, so then it says remote found. And now once it says remote found, then it says status connected. So the next step is to pick your language. I'm going to do English United States. And then it's going to ask me for my time zone. So I am located in Central Time. So if I scroll down, let's see if I can find Central Standard Time here on BuzzTV. All right, I'm going to click Chicago in this example. So I'm going to click Chicago, and then it's going to ask me for the rate. I'm just going to do 1080p at 60 Hz. I'm just going to click that. And then it's going to ask me if I want to zoom in or zoom out. I'm just going to click done for the screen size. And guys, you can adjust any of these settings. It really depends on the type of monitor or television that you are using. I'm just going to click done. The next step is going to be connect to my Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to click connect to Wi-Fi network, and then it's going to scan for my Wi-Fi network. And here is my Wi-Fi network, Google Fiber 13. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to enter my Wi-Fi password and skip ahead to the next step. All right, so after I've entered in my Wi-Fi password, it's then going to say connecting to Google Fiber. I get a connected successfully message. So now it's going to load up my system here, and I'm surprised that I thought it was going to go through, oh, here we go, some system updates. So it looked like initially it was going to skip over the system updates, but guys, when you boot up any new streaming device for the first time, whether it's BuzzTV, Fire TV, or any Android TV device, there's always going to be a set of system updates here. So what I'm going to do is I'm on the BuzzTV Classic interface. The first thing I always like to do is I'm going to hover over the settings icon up here, and I'm going to click Updates. And then I'm going to click Check for Update. I just want to make sure that I have all the system updates installed whenever I am starting to use a brand new streaming device. All right, and after I do that, it says my system is up to date. You are running the latest firmware on your Classic 5. So I do have the latest version available. So guys, one thing I really appreciate about BuzzTV devices right away is you'll see the interface is optimized for live TV streaming. It has its own built-in live TV player. So an electronic program guide, you can record VOD and live TV. So now you would need to enter in your service credentials, and I'm not going to do that in this example as this is an unboxing and first review video. But right away, you'll see I am on the Android TV interface as well, and this is my favorite interface to use, especially as Fire TV devices are moving away from the Android operating system. So Android TV is going to be a bigger deal as time goes on, in my opinion. So one of the first things I want to do as well, guys, is I'm going to show you is I'm going to click Settings up here on the top, and I'm going to enable developer options. So to do that, again, click Settings, and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click Device Preferences. Once you click Device Preferences, you want to click About. And then once you click About, simply scroll down and you'll see this option that says Android TV OS Build. Go ahead and click that about 7 times until you see this message that says you are now a developer. Again, click this about 7 times to enable developer options. So if I click the back button on my remote and I scroll down, you'll now see an option available for developer options as the toggle is on for enable developer options. So I have enabled developer options on my BuzzTV Classic. All right, guys, so the next thing I want to do to get you up and running is install the Downloader app. So to do that, I'm going to go to the Google Play Store as it is available in the Google Play Store. Now, before I do that, I do need to sign in to my Google account. So I'm going to click Sign In, and I'm going to go ahead and sign in to my Google account, and then I'm going to skip ahead in this video after I'm signed in. All right, so after I'm signed in to my Google account, I'm going to click the search icon on top of the Google Play Store here where it says search. And then I'm going to go ahead and click the search bar, and then I'm going to type in Downloader. Now, before I even finish typing here, you'll see Downloader shows up under search results. It's the orange icon by AFTV News. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to click Install. And then just wait a few seconds while the Downloader app is installing on your BuzzTV Classic. All right, after Downloader has finished installing, click the home button on your remote, and then I want to add this towards the front of my apps list. So to do that, click this plus button here, and then this is your apps and channels list. So then I'm going to scroll through and find Downloader, and then I'm going to hold down the OK button on my remote, and then it's going to add to my home screen favorites. Click Yes. And then once you do that, click the home button, and here is Downloader right here on your home screen favorites. Now, if I hold down the OK button again, I'm going to click Move and move this towards the very front. So Downloader is right here towards the very front next to YouTube. Now, guys, the last thing I want to show you on this video is if you want to change the interface. So if you want to change the interface here, what I really like about BuzzTV devices is they have their own custom interfaces. So I can scroll over to the settings icon here and click Buzz Utilities. Scroll down, you can do a system update here. It has some weather settings, remote control, volume, network shares, but I'm going to click this option here that says home screen. And you'll see the different options. I'm on BuzzTV Modern, but I can access BuzzTV Classic, BuzzTV Media Player, and then BuzzTV Media Player 2. So this is the BuzzTV Classic interface for those that are familiar with the older generations of BuzzTV devices. I do like this interface. Just, it's very simple, and I do appreciate this. So to change this back, click Settings, click BuzzTV Utilities, click Home Screen, and then you can change this back to whatever you want. So here's the BuzzTV Media Player interface. This is a pretty cool interface as well. To change it back, click the settings icon, scroll down, click BuzzTV Utilities, and then I'm going to go back to the modern interface here. But that's it, guys. Just a super quick video here after I showed you unboxing the BuzzTV Classic and also how to purchase this device and just how to install Downloader and enable developer options to get you up and running. So that's it, guys. Again, this is Bodie with IPTVWire.com. Appreciate you all watching this video of me unboxing and setting up the BuzzTV Classic Android TV device. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and unboxing videos just like this one. Like this video, drop me a comment below if you're a fan of BuzzTV devices or what device you prefer. And guys, I hope you all have a great day.